back in Miami. It's a slow morning. I think literally the other half of my party is still asleep. No. Did you want to check the one out there? Out there? Back in Miami. It's a slow morning. I think literally the other half of my party is still asleep. I literally got a plate of breads because my son's not up here and he's still he just woke up, so I got him that. And then he didn't like the sausage, did he? Tom didn't like the sausage. Yeah. And then I saw people with bacon, but I don't know where they got the bacon from. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, and I got a boiled egg, a sticky bun, some hash browns. I don't know about the sticky bun. I kind of got it because sometimes I just want something sweet in the morning. And then you didn't want a boiled egg today? You didn't want a boiled egg today? Crack my boiled egg first. Sometimes with the boiled eggs, you can't separate the skin from the shell. That's exactly what happened. I've already booked my Uber. I'm thinking about pushing the time back a little bit. I have 10 minutes to edit it just because I don't know what's going to happen, or we can just go for it. Because also we're going to have to get 2 Ubers anyway because there's 7 of us. Hey, I got some pancakes for you. Did you see this? This is like strawberry jam. This is strawberry jam. We've had that all week. Oh, you gonna get tissue? Oh, you gotta go downstairs. I don't have any. They only have these. Here, over your nose. Scoot over, baby, so he can sit down. Oh, the kids weren't in your room? Oh, right there. Oh, so when Natalie knocked on your door, she woke you up. Daddy didn't wake you up. Oh.
I woke up beforehand. I didn't get up.
Oh. No. Oh. Hmm? Not when I went up. Yeah, those pancakes, they had just came out, so they're pretty soft. Oh, here, I did get you. Oh, the pancakes, yeah. Well, that's why I also got you the strawberry jam and toast. Don't you like toast? Did the kids want pancakes? The pancakes in? Is there a hole? Or is it just coming out the top now? I know. It was a long week. You don't think so? I think it was a long week. I think it took a good 7 days.
I think it took like 3 days.
No, your perception of time is skewed. At hotel, Sonesta, Regency, Miami Airport, so by Sonesta. We picked this hotel because it has a shuttle to the airport, so when we leave later, we can just shuttle. And so we only just had to get the Uber from the cruise port. But anyway, I'm literally sitting in the lobby. I have about 3 hours maybe to do some work before we leave. This tripod is awful. Tripod's awful. Anyway, it's not awful. It's just not my favorite. Like, I don't understand why this little piece doesn't work. But I'm trying to remember to make sure I get some footage of like the hotel. But I wanted to literally edit a video, get a video up because I haven't had a video up now in 6 days. So I'll post a video today, which is a video that I held off posting because my internet was jacked. So not jacked, it just wasn't strong enough to do what I wanted to do. So I held off posting that, and then I'm going to post a video. Like, I'm going to post that video, and then I'm going to edit the video and then post another video hopefully when I get home. Fingers crossed for the best. So that is the vibe. But make sure you check out my travel Instagram because I'll show this hotel. Like, it's not too bad, it's decent. I've actually been into a room too because my kid's father, he has like an actual room here because he has a longer time where he's like waiting. He's like waiting until like this evening. His flight is. My flight is in the afternoon. So so I just got like the passport to use the amenities, which is like the pool, the lobby, the gym if I wanted to, whatever. It's actually not too bad outside. It's very decent. It's probably hot in the sun, and my kids will probably get in the pool later. But I don't know if I get in. Or some to wear something my feet in or something. But yeah, I gotta already get some footage. So follow me on my travel Instagram, Carnival Travels. And so you can see this space because I think it's really cool for this, what I'm using it for. Like I literally am sitting waiting for my flight for like 4 hours. So, and especially with the internet works well. The internet works well. We're on it. So anyway, let me get to editing and yeah.